Hello, good morning. I think people prefer watching sport online videos because they are fast and easy to watch. People do not have much time, so short videos are more convenient. They are also en- entertaining, entertaining and fun. I think the ability for anyone to upload videos is good because it creates more variety. There are many different types of videos and ideas. People from different countries can hear their content. I find create my own online video channel. I would create videos about cinema. I like movies very much. I would talk about movies and share my opinions. I bought the tickets because I enjoy cinema. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I usually take a shower and have breakfast. I sometimes drink coffee in the morning. I go to university at 8 a.m. I study psychology. In the afternoon, I always do my homework. I sometimes watch movies and relax. In the evening, I have dinner with my family. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. On weekends, I sometimes go out with my family. I also like watching movies at home. During the week, I usually wear casual clothes. I wear jeans, t-shirts, and, and sneakers. The clothes. I wear jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers. I also like using social media every day. I often watch the videos on my phone at night. I think um, online videos are very popular today. I always too many my time being studying and between studying and entertainment. Entertainment. Sometimes I feel tired, but I continue studying. This makes me feel happy and relaxed. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.